In recent years, the world has witnessed a remarkable revolution in the financial landscape, the rise of cryptocurrencies. In this video, we will explore the most prominent cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, and delve into their impact on the global economy. It all began in 2009 with the advent of Bitcoin, the first ever decentralized digital currency, created by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin aimed to provide an alternative to traditional banking systems by using blockchain technology. At the heart of cryptocurrencies lies the revolutionary blockchain technology. Blockchain is a decentralized and immutable ledger that records all transactions, ensuring transparency and security without the need for intermediaries. Over the years, Bitcoin paved the way for countless other cryptocurrencies, each with its unique features and use cases. Among them, Ethereum emerged as a game changer with its ability to support smart contracts, enabling decentralized applications to thrive. Cryptocurrencies are not just digital assets. They are gradually finding acceptance in the real world. From online retailers to some brick-and-mortar stores, an increasing number of businesses now accept cryptocurrencies as payment. However, the rise of cryptocurrencies has not been without challenges. The volatile nature of their markets and regulatory uncertainties pose risks for investors, yet some see cryptocurrencies as an opportunity to democratize finance and foster financial inclusion. As cryptocurrencies continue to gain traction, they are reshaping the future of finance. Central banks and governments are exploring the potential of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, while innovative projects aim to solve real-world issues through blockchain applications. In conclusion, the rise of cryptocurrencies, led by pioneers like Bitcoin and Ethereum, has undoubtedly disrupted traditional finance. As we navigate this new financial frontier, it is crucial to strike a balance between embracing innovation and addressing the challenges that lie ahead.